This video will be a setup and first impressions of the Blink Sync Module 2. Okay, so in the previous video I showed setting up and using a Blink Doorbell Camera, and I'm very happy with it. The only caveat that I don't like about it is the fact that you have to subscribe to a service in order to save recorded videos, unless you have one of these. I'm not much on subscription services. I would rather own something, so that's what I did. I got this. The subscription service, I believe, gives you a couple other things, but anyway, I think this will suffice for what I want, which is local storage of my videos on the camera. So let's break into this thing. See what we got here. Okay, there's the module itself. It's got a USB port so you can put a thumb drive in it. It does not have an SD or micro SD card slot. You can only use a thumb drive, which I'm totally fine with that. Comes with a cable. And you can also get detailed instructions by scanning that QR code, which I'll probably do here in a minute. Or I'll just wing it, who knows. And it comes with a USB charging port, whatever. This is going to be plugged in off screen. Okay, so I'm going to open up my Blink app. No, you know what? Let's do this real quick. All right, I'm going to go ahead and scan that QR code for help. Interesting. I don't see anything for... Let's try this. Now, I do have a video on how to set up the camera that's already out there. So... Alright, that was less than helpful. Alright, so I'm going to just go ahead and plug it in. Okay, go ahead and peel this off. Plug that in. Now I'm going to open my Blink app. Gonna move that away. Okay. Hit the plus. Sync module. Capture the QR code on the device. Ask where you want it to be. It's going to be home. It's blinking blue. Discover device. Connect. Then you set up your network stuff, which I'm going to blur all this, of course. Okay, so now it's connecting to the Blink servers and setting up the Wi-Fi. Oops, I need to blur that too. Updating the firmware. Maybe do it like this. I don't know. Okay, it's updated. Alright, next it's going to ask me if I want to connect my doorbell. Yes, I do. Ring the doorbell to wake it up. Great. Alright, I got to pause it because I've got to go upstairs to ring the doorbell. Okay, I'm going to push the doorbell. Okay. Adding the doorbell. Now I'm going to go back downstairs while it's doing that. Okay, so it has now been added, so I can hit done. Okay, next, I'm guessing I need to put a USB drive in. Okay, so now I'm going to put a USB drive in. It's just one I have to have laying around. I don't know if it's going to be the permanent one or not. Okay, it popped up that USB and storage has been inserted. Format it. That's fine. Okay, so now I should be able to store videos on that. Start live view. There we go. Got it. Alright, so that other thumb drive didn't seem to work too well, so I'm going to try a different one. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, so to retrieve the clip when stored here, just locally, not on the cloud, you click on Clips, and as you see it says no clip recorded, but that's for the cloud. You click right over here where it says Home, and then it will start retrieving what's on the USB drive. This one I already pulled up, so it showed it pretty quickly. It can take a few minutes because it's pulling off a USB drive, going over Wi-Fi multiple times and all that fun stuff. So go ahead and play that for you real quick. There we go. Okay, and okay, cool. Alright, so there we go. We got it all set up. It's relatively easy. It does take a few minutes for it to download to the drive from the doorbell camera, whatever camera it might be you might be using. So give it a few minutes to download to it, and then again just simply go to Clips and then over here to Home, and that'll pull it up here. Another feature that it does make available with this module is the live view. I don't think even with the subscription I had live view without this module. So you can click on the camera right here and capture a live view of what's going on outside. Now without the cloud subscription you can't hit save and save that to this USB drive for a live view. This will only capture events, motion detector and doorbell ring. So so if you want to be able to record that way, use your screen recording program on your phone, right? Or just do a screenshot. So there we go. One important note about this is obviously you want to mount it, plug it in at a place that's not readily available, accessible to somebody should they break into your house. You want it kind of hidden so they can't find this and simply toss it. And also it does not delete the backups on here, so at some point this drive will get full and then you'll need to delete off videos so it can keep on recording. I didn't see anything that said that it would alert you if it's full or not. I'm assuming it would, but you know, we can diagram out that whole assume thing later. But anyway, hide it in a location that if somebody does break in your house they can't find it easily and just steal this. Does not record live views without a subscription, but you can see live views without a subscription. Or if you do have a subscription, you still need this to see a live view. which is really odd, but anyway, it kind of controls it. And this will control up to, I think it said 10 devices. So that's pretty nice if you have other security cameras around your place. So anyway, I like it. It was pretty easy to set up once I understood what was going on with it and found that tab over there for home. Then I was able to find the videos. I wish I could default it to that. Maybe I can. I don't know. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. Alright, I need to pause this for a minute.